Welcome to the world of Vent Africa, where you can easily trade your BTC or USDT for instant payment. Here is a step-by-step guide on downloading the Vent Africa app, signing up and trading like a pro. So let's get started. Open the Google Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile device. Search for Vent Africa in the search bar. Click the install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Open the app and click the Create Account button to sign up. Type in your full name, email address, phone number, and a unique password that you haven't used before to keep your account secure. Verify your account by providing your bank details. Select your bank name from the drop-down button, then type in your account number and name. Then click on Continue. Next step, create your 6-digit security PIN. Congratulations, you've successfully signed up for a Vent Africa account. Now it's time to start trading. First, on the dashboard, ensure to check our current rate. Then click on Deposit, then click on the Receive button. It will show you the various BTC and USDT networks. Read the warning to ensure you send your crypto to the right network. Select the crypto and click on Copy Address. Then send your USDT to the generated wallet. Go to where you are sending your USDT from. Enter the amount of BTC or USDT you want to send. If it's USDT, select the network and send it to your newly generated wallet on the Vent Africa app. Once you send in your USDT, you will see that it has reflected on your dashboard and instantly receive the Naira equivalent once the transaction is confirmed. Easy peasy. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact our 24 hours customer support team through the live chat on the app. They are always happy to assist you on any queries or complaints. And that's it. You are now ready to trade BTC or USDT like a pro on the Vent Africa app. Happy trading.
Vent Africa.
Crypto to cash made easy.